Welcome to the Harvest Garden. I'm Kit, and that's Pip. Today, we're solving real problems. A real problem often takes more than one step to solve, which means we have to read it, picture it, and work through it logically, one true step at a time. Let's start with the acorns. We need to fill 6 baskets, placing exactly 4 acorns into each one. But we also have a wheelbarrow nearby holding 5 extra loose acorns. Before we worry about the wheelbarrow, our first step is to calculate the total inside the equal groups. This leaf panel shows our first step. We have 6 baskets of 4, so we multiply 6 times 4, giving us 24 acorns in the baskets. For our second step, we combine those 24 acorns with the 5 extra loose ones. 24 plus 5 gives us a total of 29. We keep the extra 5, we don't take them away. We can write this whole process as a single equation. 6 times 4 plus 5 equals the letter A. The A stands for our unknown total, and we've solved it. A equals 29. Let's check if that answer makes sense. 6 baskets of 4 is about 24. Adding a small handful of extra acorns brings us to a little under 30. 29 fits perfectly. By combining our 2 isolated steps, grouping, then adding into a single equation, we track every piece of the real-world total without losing a single acorn. Real life rarely divides perfectly evenly. Pip has 18 tomatoes to pack, and each basket holds exactly 4. To find how many full baskets we can make, we divide 18 tomatoes by 4. 4 full baskets hold 16 tomatoes. 18 minus 16 leaves 2 tomatoes. So 18 divided by 4 equals 4 with a remainder of 2. Now, pause the video for a moment. Look at those 2 loose tomatoes on the soil. If we wanted every single tomato packed away, how many baskets would we actually need? That remainder of 2 means those tomatoes don't make a full basket, but they still exist. To pack them away, we would need a 5th basket just for those last 2. Let's check our math backwards. 4 baskets of 4 is 16. Add the 2 leftover tomatoes on the ground, and we are back to exactly 18. Our answer is correct. In the real world, a remainder represents actual physical objects. It dictates your final practical decision, like whether you need to grab an extra basket from the shed. Let's put everything together in the carrot patch. There are 5 rows of carrots growing, with 6 carrots planted in each row. Plus, I already pulled a pile of 5 carrots. How many carrots do we have altogether? Step 1. Multiply 5 rows by 6 carrots. 5 times 6 is 30. Step 2. Add the 30 planted to the 5 already pulled. 30 plus 5 is 35. As one string, 5 times 6 plus 5 equals C. C equals 35. Checking our work, 5 rows of 6 is exactly 30, and another small handful puts us a little over 30. 35 makes complete sense. Writing a full equation with a variable helps you organize messy, multi-step thoughts into clear logic, ensuring no carrots get left behind. We solved for 29 acorns, 4 tomato baskets with 2 left over, and 35 carrots. Read the problem, pick the operation, and solve it one step at a time. For remainders, always decide what the leftover physical object means for your final answer. Real problems, one true step at a time, and always ask what the leftover means. See you in the next garden.